Alright guys, so figured I'd make a video on a little bit of progress I've been making here during the week. Not too much, kind of birthday weekend, so not going to do a real long video here. But first thing I did this week is I made myself some parallel 4 links for the rear. I still have to do the front yet, but basically I made it so that you could weld that piece on the frame. Bars go back, hold the rear end. So I can put that quick change in. It turned out pretty nice. Got them with the plasma and stuff, so they're adjustable. Threaded the pipes and everything. And then inside the car I did some work. So I ended up covering that 3/4 ply with fiberglass. And then I just sprayed it black to black it out for now. So you got steel and fiberglass, wood, a little bit of everything to make the floor. Got some caps on this end here, kind of pretty it up. But that's kind of what the back of the floor is going to look like. Everything's nice and solid, real stout. So been waiting on making this piece, but probably do it this week. I have to run and get some more ply. Yeah, so she's coming. Yeah, she turned out really good. I haven't put the window regulators or the handles in on the other side, so this door closes pretty good. Got this window regulator working. So just have to find a crank handle. That one's broken. Yeah, she turned out pretty good. Still might weld in a couple more bars right here. So I think this is the back half of the frame that I'm going to use. So those 4 links get welded on here, go back to the rear end. Then I just got to build some kind of a shock mount off the back. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this off here, and then cut this frame off, put it over top, kind of fish plate everything together, and try to lengthen it about 8 inches. Then that way I can get the engine down and underneath the floor and clear this cross member. So should be good. I don't know if I showed you already, but I got some door parts and some miscellaneous stuff to go in. But yeah, she's coming good. Probably going to have more videos out during the week. I'm going to try to work on her a little bit more. So hopefully to have a video up about the 66 Chev too. I got a bike build coming up too, so we'll have lots on the channel coming this week, so hopefully some variety for you. Lighter's frozen. There we go. Yeah, so just a quick video for today. Hope you're liking the channel. Make sure you guys are subscribing, leaving some comments. All right, guys. Stay tuned.
I Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-da.